So here we have an HP DeskJet 2540, and it has an error light on it. And Phillip is going to show us how to fix that today.
Yep. So just some safety precautions. These are tools that you need: a pair of goggles and some work gloves. And one thing you want to keep in mind is you should plug it into a ground fault protected outlet. And then you'll need a sledgehammer or an axe. And I made sure that this one has a non-conductive handle, just for electrical safety. And you should probably do it outside. Alright, so it's got this arrow light right here, and that's the one we're going to try to fix here. Okay, so line up your shot really good here.
Is it on?
So actually now we have two arrow lights.
Oh dear.
You
better do it again.
Yeah, I should probably do that again. Just try that again. Yeah, that did it. The arrow lights are off now.
Fixed.
I think we got it.
Nice job.
Thanks for watching this instructional video on how to fix an arrow light on an HP printer.